Did you know your liver is responsible for over 500 vital functions daily? Neglecting it can lead to irreversible damage. But don't worry, you can detox naturally with superfoods. Hi, I'm your name, and today we'll explore how to detox your liver and prevent liver damage with the power of superfoods. Your liver's health is crucial for your overall well-being. Our liver works tirelessly to filter out toxins. But with modern lifestyles, it's easy for it to become overwhelmed. Discover how superfoods can give your liver the support it needs. Superfoods like garlic, turmeric, and green tea are not just trendy. They have proven benefits to enhance liver function and detoxify harmful substances. Let's dive into how each works. First up, garlic. Packed with selenium, it boosts enzyme production, aiding in detoxification. Adding garlic to your diet is a simple yet powerful step towards a healthier liver. Next, turmeric. This golden spice contains curcumin, known for its anti-inflammatory properties. It helps reduce liver inflammation and supports detoxification processes effectively. Welcome back. Now let's dive deeper into how specific superfoods can detox your liver and prevent damage. These foods are packed with essential nutrients that support liver function. First on our list is garlic. Rich in sulfur compounds, garlic activates liver enzymes to flush out toxins. Plus, it contains allicin and selenium, which protect the liver from oxidative stress. Next, we have turmeric. This vibrant spice is known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Curcumin, the active ingredient, helps reduce liver inflammation and boost bile production. Beets are another fantastic option. They contain betaine, which aids in detoxification, supports liver function, and prevents fatty liver. Beetroot juice can be a delicious way to get these benefits. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are also powerful liver detoxifiers. They neutralize heavy metals, chemicals, and pesticides that burden your liver. Plus, they're loaded with chlorophyll. Finally, we can't forget about avocado. This creamy fruit is rich in glutathione, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect liver cells and detoxify harmful substances. Enjoy it in salads or smoothies. Let's dive into the superfoods that can rejuvenate your liver. These foods not only detoxify, but also protect the liver from future damage. First on the list, garlic. Garlic is rich in selenium, a mineral that boosts the liver's enzymes and helps flush out toxins. Next up is grapefruit. Packed with antioxidants and vitamin C, grapefruit enhances the liver's natural cleansing abilities. Don't forget about beets and carrots. These veggies are high in beta-carotene and plant flavonoids, supporting overall liver function. Green tea is another powerful liver detoxifier. Its antioxidants, known as catechins, improve liver health and protect against toxins. Lastly, leafy greens like spinach and kale increase bile production, which helps the liver to eliminate waste efficiently. Let's dive deeper into liver detox with superfoods. In addition to turmeric, consider adding garlic to your diet. Garlic activates liver enzymes that help flush out toxins. Garlic is also rich in allicin and selenium. These compounds assist in liver cleansing and boost its ability to detoxify. It's a simple addition with powerful benefits. Another remarkable superfood is green tea, packed with catechins, antioxidants that enhance liver function. Drinking green tea regularly can support your liver health. Beetroot is another liver-friendly food. High in betalains, beetroots help reduce inflammation and protect the liver from oxidative stress, aiding in its detoxification process. Don't forget about avocados. They are rich in healthy fats and glutathione, a compound crucial for liver detox. Eating avocados can help your liver filter out harmful substances. Lastly, walnuts are packed with omega-3 fatty acids and glutathione. These nutrients help cleanse and support liver function. Adding walnuts to your diet can make a big difference. We've explored how superfoods can detox your liver naturally, preventing damage and disease. Key foods include leafy greens, garlic, turmeric, and nuts. Remember, it's not just about adding these superfoods to your diet, but also maintaining overall healthy habits like regular exercise and adequate hydration. Consistency is crucial. Incorporate these superfoods daily to truly benefit from their detoxifying effects. Small changes can lead to significant health improvements. Your liver works tirelessly to keep you healthy. Show it some love by choosing these nourishing foods. Every bite can make a difference. If you found this information helpful, consider sharing it with friends and family. Let's spread the word on natural liver detox and healthy living. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more health tips Remember, a healthy liver is a happy liver. Take care and stay healthy. Incorporate these superfoods into your diet: turmeric, garlic, and leafy greens. They not only boost liver function, but also shield against toxins. Try adding them to your meals today.